Welcome to Siri Tutorials. So, today we will discuss the problems based on functions. Okay. So, in functions, we have very important 5 marks questions which will be frequently asked in exam. Okay. Which will be frequently asked in exam. So, those problems I am going to discuss. Okay. So before that, those persons who are not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will update some more videos which will be helpful to you. Okay. So I am not going to discuss about definitions and anything. Just I will move on to problems directly. Okay. Right. So what is given in our question? Okay. So a function defined by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3. We have to show that it is invertible. Invertible means that should be 1 1 1 1 as well as onto. Okay. After that, then only we can say that f is bijective function, it will be invertible. We need to find inverse after that. Very easy problem. So I will write like this 1 1. So we have 1 1 property, that is whenever images are equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, elements should be equal. X1 is equal to x2, then only we can say that the function is 1 1 function. So x means 4x plus 3, x1 means 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Here 3 got cancelled. 4x1 is equal to 4x2. So x1 is equal to x2. So that's why it is 1 1 function. Images equal, then elements are also equal. Now I will move on to onto function. What is onto function? So onto function means I will draw one diagram. What is definition of onto? Suppose f from a to b, that is, this is domain and this is codomain. Okay. If there is any element in codomain, there should be element in domain exist. How it should exist? Such that f of x is equal to y. This is the condition. Okay. So onto as well as inverse both will be same method. Okay. So both will be in same method. Let me check it once, right? So onto property. So what is onto property? First I will take y belongs to codomain. CD is nothing but codomain. So the function will be in codomain will be in the form of 4x plus 3. Okay. So which is y is equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. Y is equal to 4x plus 3 form I got. So I have started with y. I need to get x. Okay. So from this I will write it as 4x is equal to y minus 3, x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. See, I got x value and this x belongs to domain. That should be in domain. Okay. How it should be? Such that f of x is equal to f of x is nothing but y minus 3 by 4 is equal to what we need to get? Y. It is obvious condition. You can write directly is equal to y, or you can substitute. So how to substitute? 4 into y minus 3 by 4, okay, plus 3. That means 4x plus 3. Here 4 got cancelled, 3 get cancels. That is equal to y. So f of x is equal to y. So 1 1 as well as onto. That's why it is invertible. We can find inverse. Okay. So to find inverse, I will take same condition, y is equal to f of x. This one I will take. From this, x is equal to f inverse of y. Just write it aside. Okay. After that, after getting x is equal to f inverse of y, now I will take y is equal to f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 4x plus 3, as it is condition we got. Next step is also same, y minus 3 is equal to 4x. Next step is also same, x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. That implies, see this as it is I got. So x value is f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. So this will be the required inverse of the function. Okay. So this is the method to find. This is very easy and most important 5 marks question. Okay na? Yes, you can do it easily. I will move on to one more question as it is. Same. Same method. What is given? Y is equal to, or I will take like this. F of x is f of n given. F of n is equal to n square. The function is like this. F from n to y. Okay, where y is defined as n square. Elements will be in the form of n square. Same, I will write 1 function. So 1 function means here images I will take in n form. F of n1 is equal to f of n2 implies what we need to get? N1 is equal to n2. It is very easy. N1 square, because n means n square. N square means n1 square is equal to n2 square. Okay. Actually, by removing square, we will get plus or minus, but natural numbers means we won't have minus. That's why n1 is equal to n2. Okay. So whenever elements are equal, images are equal. That means it is 1 function. Easy. Next, I will do onto function. So onto function, as I said, 1 and onto both are, onto as well as inverse both are similar. Here what is given? F from n to y. First we need to take element in codomain. What is that element? Some y belongs to codomain. What is that codomain? Capital Y. In codomain, element will be in the form of n square. Now we need to get n in capital N. From this, n square means n is equal to root y, which belongs to capital N. Okay. So you will get one doubt. Root value does not lies in n, but in question given that y is equal to n square. That means y will have elements like that 1, next to 4, next to 9, 16, 25, like these numbers we get. So all root values we will get. That's why it belongs to n. Okay. Now I got n. How to get such that f of n is equal to y? Now f of n is equal to, f of n means root y is equal to, f of y means n square, root y whole square, square root cancel, we will get y. So f of n is equal to y. F of n is equal to y means onto. Okay. So whenever it is onto, it is bijective function. 1 as well as onto means bijective function. So bijective function means inverse will exist. Okay. So now I will find inverse. As I said, inverse is same as onto function. For that, I will take y is equal to f of n. So y is equal to f of n means n is equal to f inverse of y. So that implies y is equal to, what is f of n value? N square. See, as it is I have written, that implies n is equal to root y. So n is nothing but f inverse of y is equal to root y. This will be the required inverse of the given function. So this is also most important problem and easy to get. Okay. Next, I will move on to one more problem. So many persons will have confusion in this. So first, before doing the solution, I will simplify this. F of x is equal to 4x square. I will write it as 2x whole square plus 12x. I will write it as 2 into 2x into 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. Okay, because a square plus 2ab I have written. That means 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. 12 we need to get. Okay, so 12 plus 9 I will do, minus 9 I will do, and I will write plus 15 as it is. Okay, na? This is the way to check. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. See, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So now I will write it as 2x plus 9 whole square plus 15 minus 9. Okay. What we get? 6. Okay. 15 plus 9 value will be 6. So this is f of x is equal to, right? Now I need to simplify. First condition, 1 1 1 1 function. Okay, so how to do 1 1 function? Same method. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2 I have taken. I have to prove x1 is equal to x2. So f of x1 means 2x1 plus 9 whole square is equal, plus 6 also there, no? Plus 6 is equal to 2x2 plus 9 whole square plus 6. Here 6 got cancelled. So 2x1 plus 9 whole square is equal to 2x2 plus 9 whole square. Remove square. 2x1 plus 9 is equal to 2x2 plus 9. 9 got cancelled. 2x1 is equal to 2x2. 2 got cancelled. I got x1 is equal to x2. So 1 1 function proved. Okay. Okay, I think a little bit of change is there. It is 3 square, not 9. It is 3 square. Okay, so we need to change 3 square. So here 2x plus 3 whole square, because 2 square value is this one. So 4x square. Next after that 3 square value is 9. So that's why what should we write? 2x plus 3 whole square. Okay, plus 3 whole square. Here 3 got cancelled. Same method. Next I will move on to onto property. Okay, so in onto condition, what we get? Same. I will take y belongs to codomain. What is codomain? R and domain is n. So y belongs to R. Then y form will be like this, that is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Now I will try to simplify this. So that implies what we get, y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. That implies 2x plus 3 is equal to y minus 6. That implies 2 under root. That implies 2x is equal to under root of y minus 6 minus 3. Okay, that implies 2x, or we can write it as x is equal to under root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. That always belongs to n. Why it is belongs to n? Because according to given condition it satisfies. So now I will check, just to see x value I got. Okay, now whether it is belongs to f of x or not, I will check. F of x is equal to y. Now f of x is equal to f of x value under root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, you can substitute or you can write it directly. Answer is equal to y. Now I will substitute it once. Okay, check what answer we get. That is nothing but 2 into x. X value is under root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 6, right? That is equal to, so here 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3. This is 2x value plus 3. Plus 3 means what we get? Let me write. Plus 3, 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Here 2 got cancelled. 3 got cancelled. Square root got cancelled. So we will get y minus 6 plus 6. Its value will be y. So f of x is equal to y. That's why it is on 2. Okay. So now I will move on to inverse. Okay. So inverse, same method. Inverse, how can we do? F of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse of y. Right. So y is equal to f of x means 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. That implies same condition. So y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. That implies 2x plus 3 is equal to under root of y minus 6. That implies 2x is equal to under root of y minus 6 minus 3. That implies x is equal to under root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. So x is nothing but f inverse of y is equal to under root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this is the method to find inverse of given function. Okay. Next, I will move on to one more question. Okay. So this is also important question. First, we need to convert. How to convert? F of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So that is equal to 3x whole square I will write, plus 2 into, I will write this 3x as it is. 2 3s are 6 as it is I got, into 1. I will write it as plus 1 minus 1 minus 5. That is equal to, orally we can write it as 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1 value is minus 6 because it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is same. Okay, right. So I got f of x. Now the procedure will be start. Okay. So how to do the procedure f of x? 1 1. So 1 1 function I will do. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What I need to prove? X1 is equal to x2. X1 is equal to x2. It is very easy. So f of x1 means 3x1 plus 1 whole square minus 6 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole square minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 cancel. After that square root cancels, we will get 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 1. Here 1 1 got cancelled. That means 3x1 is equal to 3x2. 3 3 got cancelled. That implies x1 is equal to x2. So here 1 cancelled. Okay na? So x1 is equal to x2 means it is 1 1 function. Now onto function. What is onto function? Onto function means same method. I will take y belongs to codomain. What is codomain here? The codomain is closed interval 5 minus 5 comma infinity. Domain is R plus. Okay, right. So I will take one element in codomain. What is that? Y belongs to codomain, closed interval minus 5 comma infinity. Then the element in codomain is in the form of 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, because already we have seen this is the form. Now we need to search for x. Okay, so y minus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. Y minus 6 will become plus 6. That implies 3x plus 1 is equal to under root of y plus 6. That implies 3x is equal to under root of y plus 6 minus 1. That implies x is equal to under root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. It belongs to R plus, certainly. Okay. Now I got x. After getting x, f of x is equal to y. I need to prove. So let me check. F of x is equal to y. How to prove? It is obvious condition. F of x is equal to, x means under root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. You can write directly equal to y, or you can substitute. By substituting what we get, it will be in this form. Okay. So 3 into x. X means root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. X completed. X plus 1 whole square minus 6. Here 3 3 got cancelled, 1 1 got cancelled, square root will get cancelled. Okay. So what we get? Y minus y plus 6 minus 6 is equal to y. So f of x is equal to y. That's why f is on 2. So f is 1 1 as well as on 2. So that's why from these two we can say that it is bijection. Okay. Now I will find inverse. Same method. There is no change. Inverse. How to find inverse? Inverse is very easy. f of x is equal to y, that implies x is equal to f inverse of y. Okay, so y is equal to f of x means in the form of 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 as it is. So y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. 3x plus 1 is equal to under root of y plus 6. That implies 3x is equal to under root of y plus 6 minus 1. So x is equal to, what the answer we get? Under root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So x is nothing but f inverse of y. Under root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. This is required inverse. Okay, as in question asked, we have proved f inverse value. Okay, so this is the method to find the solution. Now I will do last problem in this, what will be important for 5 marks. So f of x is equal to given, that is x square plus 4. So same method, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, 1 1 condition, 1 1. F of x is equal to f of x2 means x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. 4 4 cancel. x1 square is equal to x2 square, that's why x1 is equal to x2. 1 1 clear. On to same, on to means r plus, and this is closed interval 4 comma infinity. I will take one element in codomain, y belongs to 4 comma infinity closed interval. So element will be in the form of x square plus 4. Now I need to find x, right? So that implies x square is equal to y minus 4. That implies x is equal to under root of y minus 4. I got x, right? Is it belongs to r plus? Yes, that belongs to r plus because the elements more than 4. So now I will check f of x is equal to, here f of x should be equal to y. F of x should be equal to y. F of x, what is f of x? Like this, x square f of root y minus 4. X square means root y minus 4 whole square minus 4. Square root cancel. Here plus 4. Square root cancel. So what we get? Y minus 4 plus 4. So f of x is equal to y. That means f is on 2. Now inverse. What will be inverse? Inverse is same method. F of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse of y. Procedure is same. So y is equal to x square plus 4. That implies x square is equal to y minus 4. X is equal to under root of y minus 4. So x value, f inverse of y is equal to under root of y minus 4. This will be the required inverse. Okay, I think you understood all these problems. Practice this. Certainly one 5 marks question from this in your annual exam. Okay, so next we will do one more, we will take one more topic and we will do important questions in that. Okay, so until then, thank you, good night.